Welcome to Follow the Money. I'm China Barachina. Here we uncover the stories and strategies of how money really moves. They say the charts never lie, they only reveal. But what if you could read their language, stripped of noise, opinions, and emotion? Our guest today doesn't follow the crowd. She follows patterns, momentum, and market behavior. A contrarian who believes that when everyone's shouting buy, it's often time to quietly walk away. She once went to Binondo and noticed something. No one's buying silver. That's when she knew it was worth a closer look. Because when people ignore it, that's where opportunity hides. She's the quiet force behind Tap Army, a female chartist in a sea of loud opinions who proves that clarity, not chatter, leads to conviction. Let's follow the money with Miss Grizel Ibasco. Hi, Miss Grizel.
Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Alam natin na hindi siya sanay sa TV, but just inhale and you are just talking to me. We are sharing the people of what you know, and that's, I think, is the most important one because a lot of noise are happening right now, di ba, sa news. And then, what you do, hindi ka nararattle sa news because you have this style. And it's the technical analysis. You look at the charts and you see something's going on. So, my first question to you is, what first drew you to technical analysis? Bakit charts yung gamit mo and not fundamentals?
Kasi I have a mentor who taught me that technical analysis should be the one I use rather than fundamental because fundamental could cloud your judgment.
So, can you consider na you are a purist technical analyst?
Yes, I am.
As you describe yourself as an introvert, how did you shape that trading style? Paano mo minatch yung trading style mo doon sa personality mo, which is, I think, is very important?
Being an introvert teaches me a lot of things. You have more time for yourself, right?
Yeah.
Because you have so much alone moments.
Kasi nag-e-enjoy ka ng ikaw lang.
Yeah. It teaches me to become more patient sa market. It teaches me to become more focused, work independently, and of course, being observant.
Miss Grizel, when did you start doing technical analysis?
Siguro I was 21 years old. So it's been like...
Ayaw mo na i-reveal. Huwag na natin i-reveal yan.
Let's just like say... decade. 2.5 decade?
Wow. And then, ano yung this is something that I really want to find out. Kasi a lot of people in the market, I've noticed, the younger they are in the market, the more aggressive they are and the more they think that they know what they're doing. But habang tumatagal ang trader, habang tumatagal ang nagtitrade sa market, all the more that they are humble. Is it the same for you?
Oh yeah, market will never fail you to be humble. Talaga, okay, when the market's booming, everybody feels successful,
lahat
diba?
Sila marunong.
And confident, lahat marunong, lahat guru.
Yeah,
diba?
That was 2000. I remember that was 2009, 2011.
Yeah.
Like when you buy something in the morning, tataas na siya sa afternoon.
Yes, isa yun, di ba? Pero, but if that crash, wala, okay, doon na labanan. Pag bumagsak ang market, anong gagawin mo? Will you fight back? Or will you do revenge? May mga ganun revenge trading. But they're more aggressive. Meron ako naririnig na ganon. So actually, mas maganda yung you slow down and then you try to pause a bit before you go to the market again.
You have been in the market for 2 decades and sometimes noise can be really, really loud.
Yeah.
So what does noise mean to you?
For me, ang noise for me that I look at is the crowd psychology. If the crowd psychology is low, that's a perfect time to buy.
Okay, so
diba?
ito yung tipo na parang nung sinabi ko kanina sa intro, you were looking at silver and no one wants it.
Yeah.
Can you tell me that story in Binondo?
This is what happened. I did environmental scanning in Binondo. Sabi ko, that was 2021 to 2022. The silver that time was doing at $30 to $18 per ounce. And so sabi ko, this is a perfect time to enter the market. Kailangan ko nang maghanap. So I check around, wala talaga, inisa-isa ko yung Binondo, lahat ng jewelry doon. Walang pumapansin sa akin kasi sinasabi nila, bakit mo kailangan ng silver? Eh, wala namang bumibili noon. Isa na yon. Ba't mo kailangan ng silver? Mag-white gold ka na lang. Bakit gusto mo ng silver? Eh, nangingitim yon.
And what was your reaction nung nakita mo na ayaw nila, being a contrarian?
Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Lalo akong parang, I want silver talaga. Parang that confirms that it's already bottom.
Yeah.
Na parang it's time to buy.
So, ikaw yung na-hype nang habang lahat
Ako
sila
yung,
ayaw.
Yeah.
Ayaw.
Yung parang pati ikaw, you feel unloved. Kasi hindi niya love yung silver.
But when was was there a moment that you realized that charts made more sense than headlines?
Oh yeah, bigyan kitang example.
Sige.
If there's a good data na lumabas, the price doesn't move up higher. Di ba? Pag ganun ang presyo at hindi na umakyat, mag-isip ka. Ang ganda ng data, ang ganda ng
Ang ganda ng news. Ang ganda ng headlines.
Hindi sumipa.
Okay.
Baka it's a warning sign that the bullish is ending.
Oh.
It could be also. Yan yung mga bagay na I pay close attention.
Was
Yeah.
there a time na natinignan mo yung news because you have seen the chart? Or is it always like that na, okay, there's such, this is lurking. Yung chart is on resistance.
Parang nasa base?
Yes, oo,
Oh gosh. If you show the chart of XRP, yung chart ng XRP in crypto, that's in the base. It's at 0.50 cents ang price niya. Para sa akin, walang pumapasin dun kasi they're under SEC. Parang nag-aaway pa sila. No? So, when you're looking at 0.50 cents, kailangan mo pa bang isipin yon? Tanong ko sa'yo.
Kasi walang may gusto.
You know? Sobrang baba na eh.
It's
Kailangan
in the
pa bang
bottom.
i-analyze yun?
Ah.
Hindi na.
Gusto ko yung way of thinking
Diba yung
ito,
0.50, 0.30, 0.10, Diba?
There's no way but up.
Correct!
Okay. So, do you remember your first winning trade? And the first painful one?
Oh, yeah.
Sino yung mas nagturo sa'yo ng tama?
Pain is the best teacher. Ang mga losses ko, yun ang tuition fee ko.
Okay, so nung time na yun na wala ka pang discipline ngayon, that what you know, ano yung pagkakamali na yun that brought you to that discipline?
Ganito yung unang nangyari. First, no? After winning 8 trades, yung 2 trades ko, winipe ako lahat.
Oh my
Pati
God!
profit lahat. So parang all of my hard work or my sleepless night went to zero.
So yung tinretrade mo siya on the first, second, third, and you were winning, so na-feel mo din na parang, ay, alam ko na to. Yeah, exactly, no?
Pero
Ganon.
bullish ka rin talaga. It's a funny thing. Pero market will never fail you to be humble talaga. Kaya you're good at your last trades eh. Di ka talaga, kasi you have to follow where the market is going.
Do you still remember your first big win?
Oo.
And what was that na contrary to others, pero ikaw, nag-stick ka doon and you proved them right?
BTC.
Okay, Bitcoin, what year?
I started buying BTC when it was 2021. That was April, I guess. Wala rin may gusto ng
What
BTC.
was the rate during that time ng
Mga
Bitcoin?
siguro 6,002.
6,002. Oh
yeah.
my gosh, yeah. I remember that.
Diba? Tapos inaalok mo yung friends mo. Lahat nagsasabi na, ayoko niyan, scam yan, ayoko niyan, hindi totoong pera yan.
Sino tinanong mo?
Ayoko yung mga friends ko lahat, as in yung ka-age level ko, syempre working individual, mas may kaya naman na, di ba? Kaya lang nung sinabi ng ayoko yan, sasabi ko, I must do this. So, tapos, when the market, di ba, umakyat ang market ng BTC to 69,000.
Yes, from 6,200. Oh my God.
69,000, di ba?
Yeah,
Okay.
69.
Nag-out na ako sa 65,000.
Why?
Kasi masaya na sila eh. Tapos everybody is shouting.
Doon na sila napansin na nila yung Bitcoin.
Tapos nakita ko na yung mga, they're looking Bitcoin 1 million, 200,000.
Yeah.
Ay, sabi ko, out na ako. Tapos diba nag-dive yun ng 15?
Yes.
Tapos pulot ka sa 15. Almost like how many percent yun din na? 80%?
With what you're saying, do you trade daily or how do you trade?
Ako, I'm medium-term trader.
Okay.
I'm a medium-term trader.
So it's not all the time that there's something to buy?
Mas gusto ko yon. Kasi ayoko yung malikot kasi mabilis kang ma-whipso.
Yeah, yeah. In terms of like breaking naman the stereotypes in technical analysis, it's still seen as a man's world. And tignan mo naman, napaka-pretty ng guest natin today. Gretchen Ho nga ng technical analysis to. And I want to thank Sir Tony for bringing Miss Grizel here. How does it feel, like being one of the few women in the space?
Actually, trader doesn't have gender.
Oh.
Diba? The market doesn't know if you're a man or a woman. Diba? Pag bumili ka, malaman ba yan lalaki to o babae to?
Oo nga naman.
Diba? It only cares how well you trade.
Okay, so the discipline that you have is, ano yan, for all gender, wala,
Oo,
wala.
oo, no gender
no
yan.
gender yan. So
Yeah.
do you think women bring a different kind of intuition naman because that's what you're made of in terms of reading charts?
Yeah. Okay, I'm a more of field-based intuition. I'm very sensitive to the shift of the mood of the market. Isa na yun. Kaya I look very particular. Oh, ano ba yung tone ng market? Is it negative? Is it despair? Unhappy? Feeling, lost? And then, doon ako tumitingin. Marami bang fear? Marami bang panic? Pag positive naman, euphoric, walang problema, party tayo. Ganon.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, di ba? Ganon
I'm
siya.
learning a lot right now and I know we're just warming up. Follow the money returns after a short break. Welcome back to Follow the Money. Still with us is Ms. Grizel Ibasco, Technical Analyst of Tap Army. So, Ms. Grizel, let's go naman to they're saying charts doesn't lie. And we know that news, sometimes you have to interpret, diba? So, why do you trust it more than the news?
Kasi at the end of the day, where do you price ba and put your stop loss? Isn't it in the chart? Where do you enter? Where do you exit? You always look at the chart. The news always change, but the chart doesn't lie. The price action is always the truest form of the market truth.
So, hindi nangangahulugan na kahit ano pa yung ibabalita at magiging balita.
Nagbabago kasi yun eh.
Pero yung
Short
movement
term.
ng price sa charts, andyan na yan.
Nandyan na yan.
Pumuporma na siya.
Pumuporma na yan. Tsaka nakikita mo, saan tayo maglalagay ng stop loss? Eh kung makakuha ba ako ng stop loss signal sa news? Di ba hindi?
Hindi.
Kukuha tayo doon sa price point, diretso ka pa rin sa chart, doon ka pa rin titingin.
In fact, they're just reacting.
Correct. Pero short term lang, excitement.
I remember one of my mentors in the technical analysis na when he will watch for the news because he already saw it in the chart. So there will be a disaster coming in because it has to fall. This has to fall.
Nagre-reflect na.
Yeah, nagre-reflect na. And true enough, so may pagka-prophetic yung charts minsan.
Yeah.
I've seen that happen. And how would you describe naman your trading style? As you said, you're contrarian. So is there a time that you weren't? Or
No, I'm more of contrarian and a more medium-term trader. Contrarian in a sense that, yun nga, I focus on the crowd psychology. For example, if an asset is unloved, undervalued, and ignored by most people, that's a time when I try to take a look and pay attention to that asset.
oh, okay.
Kasi yung mga ayaw mo, titingnan ko.
Okay.
Kasi hindi mo gusto eh. Pag maraming ganun sa crowd, tingnan mong mabuti. Kasi feeling ko, yun talaga ang gem. Yun talaga yun yung parabolic. A good example is the silver.
Okay.
Isa na yon. Walang may gusto sa kanya. Gusto ka agad nila lagi pinipilit sa akin gold tsaka white gold. Ayoko nun eh. Gusto ko to. Yun. Kaya I'm more of a contrarian type when it comes to trading.
And when do you decide not to trade naman?
Oh, when the market is consolidating, like a wedge pattern, later I can show you the chart, and if the market is already happy, yung sobrang happy, yung parang wala nang problema, parang nothing wrong, sige, iwan na lang.
Everyone's confident.
Yeah, everyone is confident. Parang yung nasa DG Plus ka, nasa tuktok ka ng 65.
Oh, yun.
Diba?
Ngayon,
Tapos,
puntahan natin yung charts. Okay, let's go to the charts. So I think we have prepared something. And isa-isahin natin, Miss Grizel. Can we go on the PSEI index and what do you see here? Okay. Yeah.
oh, the PSCI, I'm looking this as until 5,005. Although Jonathan Ravella's already looking at 4,000. Ako, medyo, let's see at 5,500 kung, kasi I got a feeling it's still inside the correction. At least we have the same view. He's looking at 4,000, I'm looking at 5,500 or 253. For me, correction yan. Pero eventually, pataas yan.
So are you bullish with the chart right now for PSEI? Is this something that excites you or fears you?
Pababa muna ako.
Okay. So that's the 5,500.
Yeah.
It's gonna correct
Yeah,
from
5,500
right
to 5,300, yeah.
Okay. And the next that we need, what is something that that excites you? Anong
chart?
anong chart ang na-excite ka na other people are not looking right now?
The silver. Isa yun.
Can we flash the silver? So it's 1802 to present.
Look at that.
Okay. So what do you see?
It's a year 1882, so ganun kalaki yung, that's the macro picture of the chart, right? So as you can see, di ba, it's been ayun nga, nasa baba siya in the below,
For the longest
Tapos
time.
the reason why I put that cup and handle, maybe the audience will be able to connect. Ano ba yung tsura ng cup and handle? Di ba, ano bang ibig sabihin ng cup and handle? It's a bullish pattern.
Okay, bullish pattern means that it's gonna go up, di ba?
It's gonna go up.
Yeah.
So, ang bilang ko din dyan, paakyat talaga. Pero we're doing right now, it's at all-time high at 48. So, 47 to 48. So, for me, parang mag-uumpisa ka pa lang. You can see,
You haven't seen nothing
yeah,
yet.
that's 49, 48, 48, 48. That's a two resistance upside,
Okay.
So, parang paano pa lang, pag-go up pa lang siya.
So ngayon may dinala ka sa amin. Like the same with Sir Tony, you brought your silver too.
Yeah.
Kasi you're also buying silver.
Yes.
And can you show that on camera?
This is 50 grams of panda.
Oh, 50 grams.
Yeah.
Okay. And why did you pick that?
Kasi ano daw, panda kasi parang collection din siya, collection item din siya. So that's why I picked panda. I like the classic ones kasi. So,
Does it have to do with the design din, yung price, or it's just per ounce?
Hindi rin, pati yung yung mga number niya, ano ba siya, gem-proof ba siya, may mga number din siya. So kung gaano katagal, depende rin yung year, kasama din yun. So you take a look at, ako talaga, I prefer really the classic type. Even this one. This is really nice.
Oh, that's bar naman.
That's bar.
silver bar.
This is 10 ounces.
10 ounces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that one, where are you getting this? Where are you buying silver and gold also?
Okay.
And also, syempre, hindi pa
Oo.
pala, pero mamaya na wala pang chart ng gold eh.
In gold, with Goldex, we partner with Goldex. So we will have nga, a bazaar on October 18 in Club Filipino. Maybe they want to come and join us and bring their kids. So that
Bring their kids?
Yeah, bring their kids.
Bakit?
Para matutunan nila kung another form of money, di ba? Yung parang, kasi, for me, this is the real money. This is the real money. This is not investment for me. It's a wealth.
It's a wealth.
It's a wealth.
Can you
It's something
tell us
for
more
keep,
about
and it can grow through time, and it lasts forever.
So, versus fiat, you are considering silver as real money.
Yes.
Why?
Kasi, di ba, aside from monetary asset na siya, aside na marami pa siyang usage, dito rin kasi, di ba, binenta si Jesus at 30 shekels
Of silver.
silver. So,
So meaning, even mawala ang pera, Is that what you're saying? Even wala nang ma-print na pera, nag-exist pa rin siya?
Oo, yung pera na piprint mo, ito hindi mo na piprint. Real estate, hindi mo na piprint. Pati oil, hindi mo na piprint. Yun ang mga wealth. Yun ang mga totoong pera.
Kasi it can be an illusion. Sabi nga nila, no? There are like, there are cases like they're thinking that the printed money is an illusion. That's really interesting. And why kids? Why do you have to bring them?
Oh, para bata pa lang sila, nakikita nila. Kasi, okay, dinala mo yung 5-year-old boy mo, pinapili mo, gusto niya Star Wars design. After 5 years, naging 10 years old na siya. Nakita niya yung binili niyang 10 ounce, naging $100 per ounce na. Nabili niya sa 48, assuming. Tapos after 5 years, naging $200 na yung silver niya. After 5 years, nakita niya, oh my, ang laki ng inak. Like ilan, ano yun, 200 big figs ang inakyat. Magugulat siya, mai-enthusiast yung bata na, wow, ito pala yung real money.
And they can see the value.
Exactly.
Ganda. And I know that you're a contrarian and look at the charts. If there's something in the chart that excites you, ano pa yung isa? So we have silver
And gold.
and gold. So let's show gold. Okay, from 1833 to present. Do you think, because a lot of people are thinking it's already the heights.
Yeah. Oh, bullish yan eh. Actually, China, anytime that the gold corrects, it's being bought quickly eh. Ang gaan. Hindi pa ako tapos. Mahaba pa ako. Initially, kaya yung 5,000.
Meaning to say, ang daming sumasalo whenever it corrects.
Yes, tama
Okay.
yung word mo. Ang daming sumasalo. Baba, may pumupulot. Isa ulit, pulot ulit. Kaya sabi ko, pag bibili ka ng ginto, dapat isipin mo, parang journey na. Para ka nagko-compound, para ka nagda-dollar cost averaging. Di ba? Kasi kung hindi mo sasakyan, pwede mong mamiss eh. Di ba? So, kailangan, kung meron kang pera, magtabi ka, lagay mo dito.
For a woman like you, di ba, a lot of women, guilty ako doon as charged, luxury items versus, but you are buying gold. That's your luxury item. So show us your gold that you brought. So that is a gold coin.
Yeah, this is a gold coin.
And how
China.
many ounces is that?
That's 1 ounce pa lang. So ngayon, 1 ounce of like this na baka 280, 290 na.
But you bought it at what price?
210.
210.
Oo, mura pa. Oo.
And what year was that? Like
February this year.
this year lang.
This year lang,
Okay.
Oh, kita mo?
Wow, it appraised that
momentum
much.
niya.
Oo.
Yes.
And
Kung binili ko to ng bag,
yeah, pwede na yan sa
Diba?
yung same amount yan.
kaya
meron
ayoko
na.
bumili ng bag eh. Kasi fast fashion yun, di ba? Hindi katulad ng dati. For me, kung bibili ako ng bag, ito na lang bibilhin ko.
Maraming na barrel. Next, what are other charts that we want to show them today?
A good example for the Contrarian is the DigiPlus.
Okay, ito na, Digi Plus. A lot of people have been burned because a lot of people bought at 60 plus. Is it the dead end? Is it or is it something that we need to look at right now? Can we show Digi Plus? So if you're gonna show us Digi Plus, what can you say? 2006 to present. When did you start buying Digi Plus, by the way? Because I know you bought it.
But buying at $9 pesos.
At 9 pesos. And that was
That was, 2022.
2022. Okay. Hindi pa nila alam yan. Wala pang nakakapansin
Oo,
yan.
wala pang nakakapansin yan. Yung nag-break ng trend line na yan, time na yan. Diba? So, during the time niyan, parang wala pang may gustong bumili ng Digi Plus noon. Pero from the 2020 to
What made you buy it? If no one's noticing it.
oversold. Tapos nakita ko parang nag-complete wave 3 na siya eh. ABC, wave 2 na. So malinaw na. At may nakita akong 5-wave upside and then 3-wave down. Then enter na ako.
So it means that you are entering into specific position because you are following the shape of the waves.
Oh, the Elliott wave
The Elliott
pattern.
wave
So if I
pattern.
see a 5-wave already, okay, that's already the signal. Oh, let's wait for the ABC correction to happen, then we enter there.
Okay. And And when it comes to like, eto na, diba? Marami tayong charts na ipapakita, but we are losing time. So, eto na naman tayo, parang part 2 lang ni Sir Tony. But I want to thank you, Miss Grizel, for, for being with us right
Thank
now.
you.
Nabigyan mo ng hope yung mga may hawak pa ng plus, I think. And a lot of us are actually encouraged to buy the real silver and gold and buying luxury. Thank you so much, Miss Grizel, for your
Miss
insight.
Gina.
In a market full of noise, she chooses silence. Trading solo, she finds comfort in quiet. Because for an introvert like her, clarity begins when the noise fades. While others chase headlines, she listens to the one thing that never lies, the emotion reflected in price action. As George Soros once said, "It's not about being right. It's about making money when you're right and losing little when you're wrong." That's the discipline and calm confidence our guest, Ms. Grizel Ibasco, lives by. I'm China Barachina. Stay curious, stay sharp, and always follow the money. Go.